Hi, today we are going to practice how to find all real roots by using factor theorem and rational roots theorem. So there's, even though this trinomial, but it's a cubic, not quadratic. So by just factoring, you cannot solve this one. So you need to find at least one factor using factor theorem and rational roots theorem. So first, possible candidate of the factor, let's find from the biggest leading coefficient 1 from factor of the constants, which is 6 here, plus minus 1 and 6, right? 1 and 6 factor, and 2 and 3. So plus minus 1, plus minus 6, plus minus 2, and plus minus 3. Among those, we just need to find one factor, and then after that quadratic, we can do factoring, or we can use quadratic formula. So let's find one factor using factor theorem. So among those, we plug in, become 0, we need to find, right? So let's try out from the smallest number, which is in this case x equals 1 or negative 1. But I see the sign 1 and negative 7, 6. So this is like kind of alternating. So I might try 1 first. So let's say this is a p and then px. Then let's plug in 1 there. What I'm saying, q minus 7, and I just copied x. Instead of x, I put the parenthesis there, and then I put 1 there because p1, 1 there. That means 1 cube is 1, 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6, that's become 1. Wow, so p of 1 is 0, which means x minus 1, because 1 is 0, x minus 1 is a factor. So find the quotient, we might need to use synthetic division. So we use 1, 0 right there, which is 1, and we write it coefficient 1. That's cubic is coefficient is 1, and the second degree is nothing there. That means we put the 0 there, and then minus 7 and 6. We're going to do the synthetic division. Synthetic division, first thing you need to do, down here first and multiplying. So 1 times 1 is 1. So adding, that's 1, and then 1 times 1 again, that's 1, and adding, negative 6, 1 times negative 6, 0. Yes, remainder 0. That means this is a factor. So this is constant, and we put the first degree, we put the sign first, right? And second degree. This is a quotient, which means this one I can factor it because x minus 1 is factor, and x squared plus x minus 6. X squared plus x minus 6. I can factor this one like this. Wow, this is a quadratic trinomial. Then I can factor it using, let's try, xx and factor of 6, which is minus 6 right there. So 6 and 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Among those, sum is difference is 1. So this is the 1, right? And in order to be difference is plus 1, this is plus, this is minus. So minus 2 and plus 3. So I can factor this one, x minus 1, and here x minus 2, here x plus 3. So equals 0. From there I can find from here x equals 1, from here x equals 2, from here x equals negative 3. So this is a final answer.